In the renewable energy sector, the Ariston Thermal Group dedicates significant time and resources to develop and promote solar energy systems. The group offers a complete range of products to optimize and satisfy both water heating production needs and support space heating needs for domestic and commercial use. All these products are designed to be easily integrated with conventional heating systems, reducing energy consumption and creating a comfortable indoor environment. At the beginning of 2008, the group's new European Center of Competence for Solar Thermal Energy was opened in Serra dei Conti. It will be the point of reference for research and development activities in solar energy and will offer technical support to local markets. Based in the Marche region in central Italy, it is in an ideal position to serve the European and Mediterranean markets. The new center has leading-edge production processes and also benefits from an R&D department, a testing laboratory, and an area for training courses. Production lines are strongly automated to guarantee the manufacturing tolerances required for all the collectors produced. The welding of the hydraulic circuit and the ultrasonic welding between absorber and pipes guarantee top performance and durability. The final assembly line is characterized by 4 state-of-the-art robots, which execute the most crucial and precise stages of production, thus guaranteeing quality standards for both assemblage and performance parameters. A modern research and development department focuses on the study of new materials and innovative solutions. Some of the most important researches are studies into high-performance materials to improve functional and product features, and studies into the ever-increasing need to integrate solar collectors within building structures whilst maintaining ease of installation. The test laboratory includes an outdoor platform for life tests and allows for the simultaneous testing of products and systems in different environmental conditions. This area is equipped with sophisticated tools for measuring weather conditions, solar radiation, wind, environmental temperature, and rain. A complex wiring network transmits temperatures and data taken on tested products to the collection and evaluation center. The center also offers an intense program of training courses. Not only theoretical lessons in the classroom, but also practical exercises in installation, in running checks, and in offering technical assistance for the products. Courses are aimed at installers, designers, sales staff, and technical assistance people. Products manufactured in the Serra dei Conti factory are composed of 3 different kinds of solar panels. The shared system panel is a flat plate solar collector with 2.5 square meter surface, copper absorber, serpentine hydraulic circuit ultrasonic welded and high thermal insulation. This collector is particularly recommended for installations with a large surface area. Pleasant finishings reduce the visual impact when the product is installed. The flat plate solar collector for forced circulation systems has a surface of 2 square meters. Absorber with titanium oxide treatment. Parallel raw hydraulic circuit ultrasonic welded and high rock wool thermal insulation. This collector is particularly recommended for domestic use. The collector for natural circulation systems has 2 square meters of surface. Multi-flow steel absorber with high efficiency black treatment and high thermal insulation. This collector has been specifically designed to ensure the best performance in installations with natural circulation. All products are designed for specific installations. All of them integrate perfectly with the other components of a solar system. All of them are guaranteed to be easy to install and to offer the best thermal comfort derived from solar energy.